Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel Ideas by Anaiza. Today, in this video, we are sharing a collection of adorable crochet designs to brighten up your lifestyle. As I wrap up this crochet series, we have had an amazing time exploring the world of crochet together. From the cutest toys to the most practical and stylish accessories, we have created adorable keychains, beautiful bags, cozy gloves, and warm socks to keep our loved ones and stylish. We have even decorated our home's decorations, granny squares, and others decorated items. But most importantly, we have shared a passion that brings us joy, relaxations. We have connected over our love for Croatia, and that's truly special. As we say goodbye to the series, I want to encourage you to keep cooking and creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, keep sharing beautiful creations with the world and inspiring that others to do the same. Remember, every stitch is a labor of love and every project is a reflection of your unique talent and creativity. Happy cooking, and until next time, stay cozy and creative. I hope this video is very useful for you. Goodbye for the next video. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.